Next we take numericals. First numerical, find the area of a circle of radius 7 cm. Now here is the solution. I have written the formula to calculate the area for the circle, and the formula is pi r square, where value of pi is 22 by 7. So I have substituted here, and radius is given in the question as 7 cm. Since it is a square, so 7 into 7, 49. And then I have solved it, and finally the answer comes out to be 154 centimeters square. I hope the first numerical is very clear to you. It's simply formula based. You have to write the formula and then you have to solve it, and finally you get the answer. Children, remember one thing. In numericals, unit is a must, and it should be a correct unit, what you are writing here. Then we come to the next numerical. The length of a school playground is 180 meter and its breadth is 105 meter. Find the area of the playground in meters square. Express your answer in hectare too. So we come to the solution of the second one. Since in a playground the length is given and breadth is given, so I think you can understand that the playground is in a rectangular shape. Therefore, I have applied the formula to calculate the area of the playground as length into breadth. I have substituted the values 180 meter into 105 meter, and finally the answer comes out to be, after multiplication, 18900 meter square. So there was a next part of it also, to calculate the area in hectare. Can you see this thing in red? I have written area in hectare. Now this is the relation between meter square and hectare. 10,000 meter square is equal to 1 hectare. Therefore, 18900 meter square is 1 upon 10,000 into 18900. Finally, your answer comes out to be 1.89 hectare. So this is how we have solved the numerical. You have to see the relationship, what is the relationship, and accordingly you are calculating the value in hectare. So this was the second numerical which we did, in which we had to calculate the area of a playground in meter square and hectare. Then comes your third numerical. The diameter of a coin is 4.2 centimeter. Find its surface area. Now again, a coin is in circular shape. Coin is in circular shape. So, and here the diameter is given as 4.2 centimeter. And for a circle, if we apply the formula, that comes out to be pi r square. That means we have to find out the radius from the diameter. And this you must be knowing. Diameter is 2 times the radius, or radius is diameter by 2. So I have calculated here 4.2 divided by 2 equals to 2.1 centimeter. This is the radius of the object given. Then I substituted the formula pi r square. I wrote the formula here, 22 by 7 into 2.1 into 2.1. Finally we multiplied, and I got the answer as 13.86 centimeter square. So this was the third one. Again, direct formula application. Only you have to understand here that if the diameter is given and you have to calculate the radius, then what you have to do? Divide the diameter by 2 and your answer for the radius comes. Next we come up to the fourth question. An overhead water tank is 3 meter long and 2 meter wide. It contains water up to a height of 1.2 meter. Find the volume of the water contained in the tank in meter cube and liter. Now, fourth one, overhead tank, it's a cuboid. Why I have written it's a cuboid? Because it has got length, breadth and height in which the water is contained. So, formula for the volume is length into breadth into height, and given here that length is 3 meter, breadth is 2 meter, height is 1.2 meter. I substituted the value and I got the value as 7.2 meter cube.